Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and test out this soccer net 6x4. It's a steel with fiberglass. Good review on Amazon. We got a nice big backyard here and we always practice and play soccer, so let's put this to the test. Then we're going to open up, check out how it came in the box. Always remember, for price and details, check in the description box below. This company got good reviews. Comes with a nice carrying case. Look at that. Gorgeous and beautiful, really good quality, nice zipper. Open up easy, love that. Listen, I just want to welcome everybody to Product Zone. We do unboxing and honest review. All my stuff is directly to Amazon. This one here, I have the PVC kind of cheap plastic one before and it broke. This one here is, wow, solid, really solid. We're very windy in the backyard here, so this is why I went with something a little bit more better. We have anchors here, so you could always anchor them out. So we're gonna get everything out and just put this together. It's very easy. Look right here, all you do is just make like an L shape. You put this on the top and then you hook the net on. Easy stuff. This will probably take me 5 minutes. It took me about, let's say 7 minutes to put together. It's 6 feet in length and 4 feet in height, and it comes with this beautiful carrying bag right here. But overall, you could see, and I can show you right here, they left this space right there, so when the ball hit, it's flexible, it moves and flexible. I just have to anchor it down, but I'm gonna do that in a few. So they made it in a way it's very flexible, and what I like about this is really good quality, really, and it hooks on strong. These things are really good. I like here, very good, neat stitch, really nice quality overall. And we're gonna get a couple kicks from my son. He's a soccer player. Jack's ready, my man. Let's go, let's do this. See this? Oh, and he went with the slide. So right now we anchor it down right there. The anchors are pretty good, very sturdy. This bad boy ain't going nowhere. Let's get some more hard kicks, man. Bring in some power kicks. Let's ready, come. Oh, I got a little game myself. Oh, look at that. I'm telling you, it's a really good net. We went through about, I lost count, maybe like over 10 soccer net because I have 3 kids. So come on, let's go. Nice. Man. So my son is loving this. He, as I said, he loves to play soccer. This is a soccer net. We could go, this is my pet pig. Oh! Overall, it's a good price. It's a good, decent price. Soccer net could get really, really pricey. And some companies just, I don't know, they just put the price up too much. So I'm telling you, throughout the years, we went through so much soccer net because my older son was in soccer, all the travel team and stuff. And we went through a lot. So far, this one here is a better quality. I will tell you right now. I'm not just telling you this because I want you guys to, buy it right away or something. No, so far it's a decent quality and I like it, and my son is practicing. So we're gonna do an update video coming up in the shorts. Give it a couple weeks. Once we test this out fully, I'll let you guys know. But so far, it's pretty good. All right. Thank you for watching Product Zone. We're getting this channel going. Lots of product, lots of unboxing and testing out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Check in the description box